All right, so rotating around a bond in Avogadro is not as straightforward as you might think, but it's actually really easy, and it can be pretty useful when you're trying to learn or re-optimize certain structures and whatnot. So let's talk about that. Let's do a real quick example. How easy it is you click this 90-degree button so that measures the angles.
Yay!
And let's just try to rotate this quinoline ring next to the pyridine ring. And if I want to do that, right, which basically means changing the dihedral angle between the nitrogens here, I can just click on the bond in the middle and it shows a whole bunch of different angles, right? So the angle here between these two bonds, these two atoms, so there, and there is like 117 degrees. Between this, and this is 121. And it gives it the bond length right down here. But if I want to rotate it, so I'm using my mouse wheel to go in and out. Let's just see if I click on the plane and move it around, nothing really happens there. If I click on the angle, nothing really happens. Maybe clicking on the, oh, okay, so I click on this atom right here and I'm able to lift that up and down. Let's see if I do this one. Oh, I can lift that one up and down. What happens if I do this? Okay, so now I'm able to get to the dihedral angle a little bit, and that's by clicking on the atom adjacent to the bond that's selected, right? So that would be this one or the nitrogen. I can rotate it around. And wow, I just figured out how to do that in a reasonable way. Well, that's kind of cool. What if I want to rotate this ring over here? Click that bond, grab this atom, and spin it around and put it wherever you want. And then Avogadro, what it does, where is it? Up here in the Orca underneath on extensions, generate input file. It gives you your XYZ coordinates here, and this is what you copy and paste into your input text file. Right. Real cool, really straightforward um, thing there that can be super useful depending on what you want to do.